Hi everyone, let's have a simple work with Postman. First, we should open our project. See, this is the directory of our project. Now we run the artisan. Now let's come to Postman. This is our Postman. First, we send a request that nothing's show, and here first let's go to the customer. Again, nothing is show because we didn't set the headers. Accept should be application JSON, and the content type should be also application just. Now let's run it. Yeah, the message unauthenticated. Let's create a token. Artisan Tinker. And app model user find create token. We copy this and paste it here. Yes, right now everything is going fine. This is our data. First, let's get from 121. Yeah, this is the data of the ID is 121, province ID 1, province name Kabul. Let's delete it. Yes, it deleted it. If right now we check, no cure result for this because we deleted. Yeah, it's 120. Now let's create a new record. It be the post, because for creating we need to post. Here we have the params, the venue IDB, the venue IDB1, the zone IDB number 1, the district IDB number 1, and the name of customer. It be Ilyas. The father name be something Hussein. And the house number, it be 21, and service fee, it be 100. Now let's send it. Yes, we create a new record by the name of Ilyas. Now let's get it /122. Yeah, this is Ilyas. Okay, thanks for nice attention, and we'll see the next